Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable tablet mode in Windows 10. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on System. Now select Tablet mode in the left pane. Now click on the drop-down menu that says When I sign in. Choose Tablet mode from the drop-down list. Now click on the drop-down menu that says when the device automatically switches tablet mode on or off. Choose Always Ask Me Before Switching. Congratulations! You can now choose when you would like to use tablet mode or desktop mode on your Windows 10 device. This is how you can enable tablet mode in Windows 10.